I applied for 3 different classes at the tech center just because I knew I didn't want to go to college. The third choice I had was welding, and that's the one I got into, and it was the luckiest of falls into something. I never in a million years thought I'd be excited in a hardware store, but now I'm excited to go to Home Depot and buy new tools. I ended up really liking it, and I think about it all the time. My name's Tori Guzman, and I'm the lead material processor at Nix Industrial. I'm hopping in between fabricating and switching into my new job as lead processor, so I've been kind of learning how to run that robo rail, fabricating rails that I'm cutting off that, welding out rails too. I really like working with metal, and I feel like I learn something new every single day. The new job, I really like that I get to teach new people, and how Nix is kind of a place I can help other people learn to really like it. Nix culture is very much like a small family environment, but it's still a big company. Coming here every day feels like you're working with people that you're really close to, and I knew right away that I wanted to be a part of it. They helped me and taught me just like they would any other intern, and I'm glad I made the decision, and I know other women here are really glad they made the decision to try it. I really encourage it to anyone that wants to. I like to hang out with my friends. We go camping quite a bit, go to the races in the summertime, hang out with my family. Satisfying to look at like pictures and stuff, or even driving past stuff you built. You helped build that little piece by little piece. If you're processing and then you fab it and then you weld it, it's all yours. And you just get to know that you can build something that's bigger than you.